In this video, I'm going to show you how to enroll contacts in a sequence in HubSpot. Now to do this, first you want to connect your email to HubSpot. So in case you're not sure how to do this, you can go watch my other video teaching you exactly how to connect your inbox to HubSpot. Now once you've done this, you want to go to the left, hover over sales, and then from the sales you want to go to sequences. Then you want to create your sequence, and once you've done this, you want to click on the sequence where you want to enroll contacts, and as you can see in the top right, it says enroll contacts. So you want to click on that, and then from here you want to click on enroll contacts yet again. Now once you've done this here, you want to select your contacts or search for them, and then when you've done this, you can just click on next and then confirm it from there, and you'll be able to enroll your contacts that way. Now all of mine over here are currently opted out, that's why I actually can't do this, but of course for those that aren't opted out or unsubscribed, you'll be able to go and enroll them inside your sequence. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.